Take a moment, pause for just a moment. Ask yourself, what is the quality of the energy I am bringing into this new day? Are you rushing, stressed, or perhaps you have fallen into the automatic rhythm of just getting through? Now, what if today could be different? What if you could begin this morning with clarity, stability, and focus? Ready to create a day that feels alive with purpose. Let me guide you. Together, we will set the tone for an extraordinary day ahead. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Wherever you are sitting, let this moment be a sanctuary, your moment. Feel your body settle into the spot beneath you, as though the very earth holds you steady. Take a full, deep breath in, right down to your belly. Let it fill you like a wave, energizing you, and then let it go. Exhale slowly. It's okay to release. Let tension flow out, like a river emptying into the sea. Another deep breath and release. As you breathe, presence begins to awaken. You have crossed the threshold into this moment, and like a hero stepping onto a new path, you realize you are here not to react to life, but to create it. Now imagine this. You are standing at the edge of a vast, peaceful forest. Mist swirls in the crisp morning air. Beyond the trees lies the clarity you seek, the focus to listen to your inner wisdom, the strength to face today's challenges, and the stability to move forward deliberately. All of it is yours if you take the first step. Walk into the forest, steady and calm. The air feels cool on your skin, refreshing you with every breath. Feel the weight of doubts or distractions slipping away, falling behind like autumn leaves. Imagine yourself becoming lighter, as though you are shedding layers of unnecessary noise from your mind. And here's the truth. You have carried so much, haven't you? Expectations, deadlines, self-doubt. But what if today you didn't have to carry it all? What if you could choose clarity over confusion, stability over overwhelm, focus over every distracting voice? You are ready for this shift. You have always been ready. Now, as you take another gentle step deeper into this vision, Bring your awareness to your breath once more. Slow, intentional. This breath is your anchor, the thread tying you to the present, steadying you in every moment. Breathe in calm, breathe out courage. This is how you build clarity, one conscious breath at a time. Notice a stream ahead, crystal clear and flowing effortlessly, steady and sure. This stream moves your path today. Thoughts may rise like ripples on the water, but your focus remains untouched beneath the surface. Let the clarity of this stream settle into you. It flows for you, not rushing, not stagnant, but moving with purpose. In this state of focus, you begin to sense a quiet trust within you. A trust that today can unfold beautifully. Obstacles can appear, yes, but like the hero in their journey, you are not afraid. You carry clarity like a lantern, guiding your steps, and with it, you carry the stability to hold your confidence steady and the focus to meet each moment with intention. You see, clarity isn't something distant. Focus isn't something you find. They are already within you, waiting for you to look inward, waiting for this very moment. And this morning, this breath is your chance to awaken them. Take a long, deep breath now and feel the essence of this clarity locking into your heart. The steadiness rooting you today. The focus energizing you to move forward. All of it right here within you. This is your morning foundation. This is how your day begins. As we prepare to return, affirm this in your mind. I am stable. I am clear. I am focused. Today, I move with purpose and ease. Trust these words. Carry them through your day like the hero's torch. And remember, you are capable of so much more than the limits you place on yourself. When you are ready, gently bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Slowly open your eyes. And as you step into today, remember this moment is your compass. The path ahead is clear. You are ready. And if you would like to carry this sense of intention and calm even deeper, join me for another guided journey, one focused on deepening compassion and nurturing self-love. Our next step together awaits you in my loving kindness meditation. You won't want to miss it. Click on it now and let's continue your growth.